Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. And in this short video I want about depression and how you can cope with depression. Now, what is depression? How do you know you are having depression? What could lead to depression in people's life, and the tips to overcome depression? Depression is a very common mental disorder that is characterized by persistently low moods, loss of interest in what usually excites you before, and all that. Now, you could be experiencing depression for a number of reasons, from the loss of a job to the loss of a loved one to broken relationships to your expectations not being met, and the list can go on and on and on. Now, how do you know? How can you sense that you're having depression or someone close to you is depressed? Be experiencing excessive sleeping or poor sleep, lack of sleep, to the appetite. There may be complete loss of appetite. And for some people, there could just be like an increased appetite where they are trying to distract themselves using food, increased eating. For people with severe depression, they could be experiencing suicidal thoughts, wanting to take their life. You see people by the roadside, by a bridge, they want to jump over the bridge. They feel life is over, life is unfair to them, experiencing so many issues in life, heartbreaks and all that. These are all signs and symptoms of depression. Now, how can you cope with depression? How can you overcome this depression? First, I want to talk about is you speaking to somebody. Please, if you're experiencing depression, you've noticed these mood swings, or you're having suicidal tendencies, you may have even attempted suicide, please reach out for help. I can assure you there is help out there. You could reach out and speak to someone who cares for you. It could be a spiritual leader, a family member who loves you, who cares for you. Please reach out to someone. Distract yourself. You can distract yourself with exercises. Come out, exercise. You could join others in the gym. Just exercise. Distract yourself with something positive. So many people distract themselves with negative things when they are depressed. No, this is not recommended. Please distract yourself with exercise, which is just one of the positive things you can distract yourself with. Look at the positive side of life. Life has not just always been this state where you're low mood. There have been times in time past where you had victories, you had some wins. Just cast your mind back to those moments and then know that there is light at the end of the tunnel. This state, whatever is happening to you, is not the end of the light, it's not the end of the road. Look back, reflect on the positive side of life, and I tell you, you will realize that there are reasons to be thankful. There are reasons not to take your life. So taking your life is not the solution. If you're having suicidal thoughts, please reach out. There is help out there. Okay, that'll be all from me for now. I'll see you in my next video. But for the meanwhile, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. It's going to get better, all right? So hang in there. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and share. See you.